Okay, now we've got our surfaces leveled, smoothed out. What we're going to do next is sand the surface with the 500 grit paper. And we're going to need a little bit of water just to lubricate it. Again, sanding with the grain, both areas. I'm going to put fairly even pressure all the way across. This smooths out any kind of contours that might have been left from the knife. And gets it all nice and level. Now they got both areas level. We'll let that dry. We'll wipe it off. Now I don't know if you can tell, but we're trying to get it level now, get it nice and smooth. And then we're going to work on the color some more. That's in the next process.